Hi there, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is a free website audit of athlonrab.com. I'm on a homepage, and I really love your logo. I love that you're consistent with your website colors, the yellow, green, and orange, I believe, or red. And I see it on the packaging as well. I see your logo on the packaging, detail of the logo, which builds your branding and audio authority, which is fantastic. One thing I noticed is that your sliding images are quite busy because they change every few seconds. You have to reduce the number of elements you put into each image so people have enough time to really familiarize yourself. For example, this particular image has got loads of text, loads of icons, and as you see, it changes every few seconds. I don't even really have time to read everything, so you have to think from the user experience. What you can do is just put warm up recovery and then buy now button, and all of these can go somewhere else and can go onto the blog post telling about this product. However, they don't really belong on the sliding image that changes every 7 seconds. So I do recommend making the images clearer. That will also give you more contemporary feel, because the clutter usually works against the conversion rate and really gives you this kind of old-fashioned website design look. The websites 10 years ago used to have all of those busy info. However, now websites go for more white space, more premium feel with more minimalist design. So consider having this look and layout for your images and for your whole website. I also noticed that some of the images, like this one, is much shorter than the other one. So if they change, they actually push the website content, as you see, up and down, which can feel really uncomfortable when you're browsing below and this image changes. It's kind of this website content jumps up and down in front of your eyes. As you can see, it jumps up and down in front of your eyes. So it also gives you a little bit amateur look. When it comes to the SEO titles, remember to make them more SEO friendly. Add your keywords here instead of just featured. You can put muscle rubs or featured muscle rubs or best-selling muscle rubs. So it gives more info for Google to put you in the right search results, and also help you drive traffic that converts, which will improve your sales. Okay, I really like this element as well. I'm not sure if they are linked. Okay, they are linked to a page. They are quite nicely organized. So this is really good. I love it. It looks quite professional, which is quite nice. Okay, find out more. Link to the formula. So it really builds your authority, your knowledge of the industry as well. It is a little bit busy, as I mentioned. Reduce the number of elements you put on a website, or simplify the images, because it can feel a little bit overwhelming for a first-time visitor to really know which element to click, which will hurt your conversion rate. So the best converting store have got only one call to action on a page and focus one page on one goal. For example, in your case, would be to direct people to your collection page, or direct people to your product page, or direct people to this formula page. So don't overwhelm people with too much choice, because mm, it will definitely work against your conversion rate. Okay, your social media links open in new tabs, which is absolutely perfect. And you've got user-friendly footer navigation here with your contact details as well, which is really good. Okay, so you've got link to the product. I would also make this title more SEO friendly, more descriptive, as I mentioned before. However, it's a great introduction and explanation of what your product does with a video as well. So this review, which is great. Sanctioning bodies. Okay, travel size bottle as well. So it's really, really good. I would also link to your product page. So this is travel size, but also link to your main product page. So people um can buy it from here. I would put buy now as the link after home page because this is the main focus for you. So the focus of your visitors usually goes from, left to right. So you should feature buy now here after home to improve your conversion and feature the menu in the middle. I'm not sure why there's a gap. People usually expect the menu to see either on the left because that's how people interact with the website. See this corner first and then view this because otherwise it just feels like it almost escapes the view. So don't be too shy showing your menu. This is really important because this is how you drive sales. And feature the about us and testimonials as the last elements in the menu as well. Shop menu, all products. Again, make sure that the title is more SEO friendly and descriptive. The collection page looks great. The images are cropped in the same style, so they display in the same line, which is great. Okay, you've got add to cart above default, which is great. You can have quantity because people might want to buy more than one. So I'm not sure why this is missing. Perhaps you disabled it on purpose. However, it can work against your conversion rate, unless unless it's a policy that you can only sell one per customer. I'll check another product. Okay, for some reason there is no quantity to choose as well. Which I'm not sure why it is disabled. You should really have quantity because you shoot yourself in the foot because people might want to buy more than one, but you don't have this function to allow people to do that. So make sure to add quantity window as well. I would put the product description here instead of customer reviews. Customer reviews can go on the bottom, and you can link to customer reviews via anchor text or via anchor link. However, they don't need to go above the product description because people are more interested in the product features, which should really go, right here below the add to cart button. I would also encourage you to add a blog post. You've got really, really good niche for blogging and you've got knowledge of your industry. So this is really, really good way to build trust to you as a retailer of your own muscle rub, and you can tell about how to use it. You can tell about customer stories, before and after stories when someone recovered. And also blogging will help you in adding fresh content, which Google really, really prefers. So it prefers websites with a fresh content being added on a regular basis. So make sure to add a blog and post regularly because it not only will help you drive organic traffic, it will also help you with your Google rank. Contact us page looks great. I like that you've got telephone. You're not hiding. People can easily reach you, which is absolutely perfect. Your SEO score is 46 out of 100, which is quite low for this particular tool. Normally, the good result to aim for here is in the 60s range, so there's definitely room for improvement. As I mentioned on the Shopify forums, you've got two domains pointed to your Shopify store, means that without a proper redirect in place, Google reads them as two separate website with a duplicate domain, which definitely affects your Google rank. So make sure to add this redirect. It's very easy fix. Your Google snippet is a little bit too long, so aim for 65 characters. You don't have to feature your brand name twice. However, it's a good meta title. I would also make sure that the meta description is up to 165 characters, and also add a call to action at the end, such as shop now, buy now, worldwide delivery, something like that. So to prompt people to click it once they see it in Google. You've got headings, you've got too many H1s, but it's not a big issue. However, your keyword consistency is quite good. I would also try to rank for keywords such as Thai rubbing lotions, or muscle rub, or something like that, because at the moment it's just you rank for your brand name, and you should rank for the keywords people would be using, such as when they're not shopping, looking for your brand in particular, but they're looking for the solution to their aching muscles and so on. As I mentioned, the meta title, meta descriptions, Google snippet needs optimization. Keyword consistencies, I've already mentioned. Amount of content. Yeah, you need more content. As I mentioned, blogging is great for that. And also remember to optimize all of your images with SEO-friendly alt tags as well. You've got a number of broken links, so I do recommend fixing that, because people will be seeing a lot of 404 pages, a lot of error pages, which will affect your SEO, which will affect your bounce rate, and which will affect your sales eventually as well. Your website speed is a little bit on the slow side. I would aim for 1 second. This becomes out of the norm, out of the ordinary, almost 2 second loading speed. People now expect for a website to load under 1 second, so there's definitely plenty of room for improvement. So I do recommend working on these elements, because they can definitely affect your SEO, your sales, and your positioning in Google. So I hope you found this audit useful. If you did, please leave a positive review on my Trustpilot profile. The link is in the email. And if you would like more information about anything mentioned in this critique, about how to fix your broken links, how to add more SEO friendly titles, how to optimize your banners, please book a free chat. The link is in the email, and our Shopify expert will be happy to answer any of the questions you might have. Free of charge is a 15-minute no obligation chat that is available to everyone who booked our audit. So please book a chat now, don't miss it, and I speak with you soon. Thank you so much for your time. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Bye bye.